In this video we will talk some remedial measures for hiccups. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. This is a condition which can make others laugh as well as irritate them if hiccups keep bothering you for a very long time. Hiccups are also spelt as hiccups as the sound is derived from active hiccups. It is caused by the sudden contraction of the diaphragm, the muscle used for breathing. Getting hiccups is one of the common things which we go through in our life and is treated as a very normal thing. But if this anguish keeps bothering you, then it has to be shown to your local doctor to be treated as soon as possible. Most of the hiccups which we happen to come across last for some few minutes. Even though hiccups are a very common thing, the causes for such kind of thing is still unknown, but some of the known reasons by which we get affected are: Number 1. Eating too fast. Number 2. Swallowing air. Number 3. Drinking too fast. Number 4. Nervousness or anxiety. Number 5. Neurological problems. Number 6. Alcohol. Number 7. Temperature. Number 8. Sleeping pattern. Some of the remedies which will help cure your hiccups instantly are: Number 1. Nose start. Number 2. Swallowing at least 10 to 20 sips of water while holding your breath all the time. This would help you cure your hiccup problems. Number 3. Swallowing 1 or 2 teaspoons sugar at least 3 times may prove to be effective. Number 4. Munching a dry piece of bread very slowly. Number 5. Lemon slice. Number 6. Having peanut butter also helps as it is sticky and helps in your breathing pattern. Number 7. Holding your breath and counting till the 10th of May also help. Number 8. Paper bag. Number 9. Drinking pineapple juice also helps. Number 10. Short exercise to get the hiccup out of your system by bending forward and applying pressure on your chest. Number 11. Gulping stuff down your system also helps, be it water, juice, vinegar, as it helps in clearing the airways. Number 12. There are products in the market which help in getting rid of the hiccups. Number 13. By getting a cough or a sneeze. Number 14. Hot shower. Number 15. Chewing a gum. Number 16. Having ice bags on both sides of your throat. If your hiccups last for more than the stipulated time period, maybe an hour or so, the first thing to do is to get a checkup done from your doctor. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.